Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I will show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger and we will see here widgets icon. Just tap on this icon and after that you'll see here all of the applications which widgets you could add to your home screen. For example, let's add the calendar widget. Just to add it, we should hold the widget and drag it to our home screen by this way. If you want to move a calendar widget between the screens or on the screen, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, you should by the same way just hold and just make it bigger or smaller, or to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.